put a clove of garlic on your feet, and the next day you won't believe the results. In this video, I'm going to show you everything that happens when you try putting garlic on your feet. Many people don't know what this unusual tip is for, but I guarantee that once you find out, you'll rush to do it at home. Garlic is one of the healthiest spices on the planet. This wonderful plant improves circulation, reduces hypertension, lowers blood sugar, clears the respiratory tract, and many other things. To start, we'll use a large clove of garlic, peel it, and place the peeled clove on a cutting board. Once that's done, we'll chop it, making sure the pieces are neither too thin nor too thick. This way, it's perfect. After chopping all the garlic, set it aside in another container. Now, let's also use a large onion. Comment below if you already knew this trick. Remove all the skin and then cut it into thin pieces. When everything is ready, we'll carefully place the pieces of garlic and onion on the soles of your feet, and then secure them with the help of gauze. And to finish the process, put on a sock. It's extremely important to reserve a sock just for this purpose. Do this always before bed, as this way the remedy will work while you sleep. The next day, as soon as you wake up, remove the gauze with the garlic and onion, and then soak your feet in warm water for 10 minutes. Repeat this process at least twice a week. Due to a sedentary lifestyle, poor diet, and high exposure to environmental pollutants, the body becomes overloaded with toxins and poisons, worsening circulation and leading to rheumatic problems. For this reason, this is an excellent natural and chemical-free solution, which will also prevent your life from being threatened. It also has antifungal properties. It will help fight athlete's foot, a fungal infection that usually starts between the toes and causes a lot of itching and a bad smell. So, I strongly recommend you try it at home. Then, don't forget to come back and tell me the results. That was today's tip. Please leave a rating from 1 to 10 below. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.